Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the ATR Value Indicator for MT4 and MT5. This tool takes the standard average true range calculation and converts it into a clear numeric output so you can instantly see how much the market is moving and use that information for stops, targets and position sizing. In this video, you will see how the ATR value is displayed on the chart, how it changes with volatility, and which parameters you can adjust. At this point, I'll go ahead to load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. I'm about to allow DLL imports. And there we have it. On the chart, the ATR value indicator typically shows a simple numeric readout, often in points or pips, in the corner of the chart, as you can see, reflecting the current ATR-based movement over the chosen period. As volatility increases, the displayed value rises, indicating wider average ranges per candle. When the market comes down, the value contracts, pointing to tighter, quieter conditions. This readout implies how much room price is naturally using at the moment, which you can use as a guide for setting stop loss and take profit distances relative to current volatility rather than fixed arbitrary values. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look. The ATR period input defines how many bars are used to calculate the underlying ATR, with longer periods giving a smoother but slower reacting value and shorter periods reacting faster to new volatility. A multiplier parameter lets you automatically scale the ATR value, for example 2x or 3x the current ATR, so you can base stops or targets on a consistent multiple of volatility. Display options allow you to choose whether the value is shown in points or pips and set its position and style on the chart, keeping the volatility readout clearly visible without cluttering the screen. You can choose your preferred colors and also trade in your preferred time frames as well. As for who this indicator is for, the ATR value indicator is suited to traders who want a straightforward volatility number to help set dynamic stops, targets, and position sizes across any market and time frame. It is an information-only tool, does not execute trades, and because it measures magnitude rather than direction, it should always be combined with directional analysis, trade planning, and robust risk management. You can get the ATR value indicator for MT4 and MT5 using the links in the description below. It gives you a clean numeric way to keep volatility front and center in your trade decisions. If you like volatility-based tools that support smarter stop and target placements, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more tutorials.